Hey, what's up my good people? Welcome guys to Tech Explorers. Kindly guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you'll never miss any update from us. So in today's video, we'll be taking a look on how you can actually use the Chat GPT to fix some of your computer problems that you are facing. Either you are using the Linux operating system, you are using the Windows, or you are using any kind of operating system that you are using. You can actually use the Chat GPT to fix or solve that problem, or actually just to do something that you need to do on Windows 11, but actually you don't know how to use it. You can actually get instructions on how to carry out or to solve that task using the Chat GPT. So I'll just open the Chat GPT. I'm currently logged in. In case you don't know, you don't have a Chat GPT account, it is actually free of charge. So I'll actually leave the link in my video description. So just click the link and it will direct you to this page. So just sign up for an account. Once you are signed up, you can just log in and you'll be in the same place as I am right now. So in this video, we'll be doing how you can be able to use the Chat GPT to solve some of the computer problems, or to be able to, the Chat GPT can actually give you instructions on how you can be able to fix challenges that you are facing with your computer. Either you are using Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, any kind of operating system, you can actually use the Chat GPT to fix that problem. And for example, I just want to show you how you can be able to to key in instruction on ChatGPT and get feedback from ChatGPT, which will help you solve the problem. For example, in this case, we'll be trying to turn on the gaming mode in my Windows 11. I'm currently running on Windows 11, so we'll be turning on gaming mode using the ChatGPT. So I'll just need to type on the ChatGPT how to turn on gaming mode in Windows 11. Like that. And let's see if we'll get instructions on how you can be able to do this. So as you can see, so that is how to turn on gaming. No, not gaming, but gaming mode. So it can just, I can just stop regenerating. Then we can just click here, highlight this one, then just paste here. Then how to turn on gaming mode. So we have to be very specific so that we don't get wrong instructions. Then just click enter, and you can see we are getting instructions on how you can be able to turn on the gaming mode, that is in Windows 11. Okay, so to turn on gaming mode in Windows 11, follow the steps. Open the start menu and click setting gear icon, or press the Windows key. So first of all, they say that we need to press the start menu. This is what you call the start menu. So that is the start menu. Then click on the setting icon. So we click, that is the start menu, and click, that is the setting this gear icon, like that. And we have opens. So let's go to the other instruction. In the setting menu, click on the gaming tab. So we just need to go to the settings and click on the gaming tab. Then click on the gaming mode on the left hand side. Gaming mode on the left hand side. So this is let's first of all see setting. Click on gaming tab on the left hand side. Okay. The other instruction is click on the gaming mode on the left hand side. So we have the gaming mode on your left hand side. This is my left hand side. So this is what you call the gaming mode. So you just need to enable there. So let's see the instructions. Toggle the switch for the gaming mode to turn on. So to toggle the switch, you just need to click. That is what you call to toggle. So you just need to click that button, and we have been able to turn on the gaming mode. Once the gaming mode is on, your PC will prioritize the game you are playing. So it will even give you some more instructions, like after doing what you have done, like what have you achieved, or let's just give you some more details of what you have done. And you can see, like now in this case, my PC will prioritize the game you are playing, allocating more resources to it and reducing the resources used by other background processes. This can result in a smoother gaming experience with higher frame rates and fewer interruptions. You can also customize the gaming mode settings by clicking on the gaming mode instructions link below the toggle switch. Here you can adjust options such as GPU utilization and backup. So these are just some more instructions. So that is how you can go to turn on the gaming mode using that is what you call the Chat GPT. So let's try to get some more instruction, like how to turn on dark mode in Windows 11, and see how, if it is possible, if the Chat GPT will actually give us the right instruction how to turn on dark mode. That is dark mode in Windows 11. I can just separate here, hit enter. Then let's get the instructions. So open the start menu and click on the setting icon. So let's close here. So you need to click the start menu and go to settings, the gear icon. Then open the settings icon or press the Windows key. We don't need the substitute instruction. In the setting menu, click on personalization tab in your left hand side. So this is what you call, we have this personalization. So you just need to click personalization. Okay. Another instruction, click on the colors on the left hand side. Click on the colors on the left hand side. Actually, these are what you call, these are the colors. So just click the colors. Okay, we have actually opened the colors. Okay, click on the colors on the left hand side. Under choose your color, select the dark option. So under the colors, here you can see we have the colors. Let's check instruction again. That is in the setting. Click on personalization tab. That one we are done. Click on colors on the left hand side. We are done. Under the choose your color, select the dark option. So when you are choosing the colors, for example, you can see we have different colors here. So what you need to do, since we have already, you can see we have choose your color. You can see it here, choose your color, and according to instructions here, they need us the Chat GPT need us to select the dark option. Select the dark option, and if you can just click here under choose, you can see we have custom, we have light. For example, if you can choose the light, let's see if it will change, because currently I'm using the dark mode. You can see we have been able to turn on the light mode. So under choose your mode, so you just need to click here. So you just need to click right, then select dark, and we'll be able to turn to dark mode. That is very easily. So just a few minutes, you can see we have been able to switch back to dark mode. So as you have seen, you can actually use the Chat GPT to solve some of your computer problems that you are facing, or be able to do something that you actually don't know how to solve it. So let's read some more instructions here and see the results that we have been able to achieve. So once you select the dark option, your Windows 11 interface will switch to dark mode. You can also choose the custom option to select your preferred accent color when you want to show the accent color on your start menu, taskbar, and title bars. Alternatively, you can also turn on dark mode using quick settings menu by clicking on the notification icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is what you call the notification button here. You can actually see there is a new notification there. Notification icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, and then clicking on the dark mode button to toggle it on. That is toggle it on or off. So it will actually give you a variety of ways that you can be able to achieve the same results. But actually you have been able to turn on the dark mode by just using that is one option, so we don't have to use this alternative method. So you can see actually with the Chat GPT, you can actually be able to solve any problem. The difference between using the Chat GPT and taking for example these if for example you can highlight this and just Google can just paste it on the search tab. And as you can see here, actually the difference is that the moment you just search something on Google, you'll get so many pages trying to explain how you can be able to do the same thing using different methods. So in this case, for example, there are some pages that you may click and they don't explain anything to do with that is turning on dark mode in Windows 11. Some other pages are explaining, some are very confusing, but actually what happens with the Chat GPT, it will collect all those pages and create and give you the best result that you can be able to follow and be able to turn on the dark mode in Windows 11. In case you are facing any challenge with your PC, you don't need you actually don't need any repairer or somebody who have such skill to help you fix your PC, because you can just go to Chat GPT and paste your problem and search, then the Chat GPT will actually give you the instructions of how you can be able to solve that problem. For example, if you are unwell and you need to know instruction, the kind of medicine or drugs that you need to purchase from the chemist, all you need to do is you can just type the signs and symptoms on the Chat GPT and request the Chat GPT to give you medication, and actually it will give you a recommendation of drugs that you can actually buy from your chemist and take. Even it has the instructions on the quantities, how you should take those drugs, and that will help you to cure that disease. So the Chat GPT, it's a problem solving machine. So that's all we have for today, guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember to turn on the bell icon so that you'll never miss any update from us. Goodbye.